Hello YouTube, and this is how to download screen recorder. First, go to Play Store and search screen recorder. And install that app. This is the first one. So when you finish install the app Super SU. That is a root, so you can take a video what all you can. So install it too. This is like root your app root. So this is it, like this, like a permission first, then accept it, then take your video all you can, what you like, what you delete. So subscribe to Firejack Ultima. So bye bye, see you.